What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about can you guys get free Aviator activation code? Well, for that, I'm going to talk to you about this thing. What is Aviator? Now, Aviator is actually a game, or Aviator is actually a gambling game. Now, Aviator is a gambling game where in which you actually, put some money, and it totally depends upon if the plane goes high. As you can see, these photos indicate. So if you invest $100 and it goes to 1.61, you get 1.61x profit. However, it can go up to 35, 45x, and sometimes it will just crash at one. So you just need to predict when it will crash, take out the money before it crashes, and you will generate that amount of profit. However, there are some people claiming that there is actually an aviator predictor, which will just tell you before the round begins that the plane will crash at this point and you can take out money before. However, this is just a gambling app, so you simply cannot predict the gamblings. If an app could tell you, you would have unlimited amount of money generating glitch, which is not actually possible. So there is no aviator generator, a predictor app. So there is no app, which means there is no activation code. If someone tells you there is this Aviator predictor app, he's probably lying to you or he doesn't know that this is actually fake and you can't get a predictor app for this gambling game. Hope you guys find this video helpful.